These TikTok videos are always spreading. People are creating countless of these videos every day, attracting huge numbers of views and making money easily. Today, I will guide you on a tip to create videos like these.
Riddle: what can fly without wings? Answer C, time.
You don't need to edit the video, nor do you need to search for images and voice actors. You just need to use an AI tool that I'm about to share, creating quiz videos for you with just a few clicks. That's right, just a few clicks.
Oh my God! Wow!
It will save you a lot of time and effort. So what is that tool? Let's explore it together. Yes, it's Vsub. Access Vsub through the link I provide in the description below. You just need to register an account with your email or Google. Let me introduce you to some features that Vsub offers. First is the automatic subtitle generation feature for videos. You just need to select this feature, then upload your video. Next, choose the subtitle language for your video. Next, with the Reddit story feature, you can convert Reddit posts into videos. You just need to enter the video duration, language, and link to the Reddit post, and Vsub will create an engaging video for you with engaging images, voiceover, and captions. Okay, our next feature is AI video. With this tool, you can create high-quality videos in the style of animated movies and 3D cinematic animations. Next is text-to-speech. I have created a tutorial video for using this feature. You can check out that video in the description below. And finally, the feature I want to introduce in this video is the quiz video feature. Okay, you just need to select this feature. Here you will see the interface options for your quiz video. Then just click the Create Question button. Next, just select the language and then click OK. Okay, here the system has selected a few sample quizzes for you. If you don't have ideas to create your own quiz, don't worry. I will guide you on using ChatGPT to create your own quiz. Access ChatGPT and type a prompt like this. Give me 10 multiple choice questions with 3 answer choices where 1 answer is correct, and give me the correct answer to that quiz. This way, you can easily create countless multiple choice quizzes using ChatGPT. All you need to do is copy and paste them here. After you copy all the questions and answers, all you need to do is tick the correct answer for the system to create a complete quiz video for you. Now, go to the Settings tab. Here, we will set up the voice actor for your video. You have the option of 11 Labs, OpenAI, or Amazon Polyvoice Acting, depending on your preference. Next, you can tick to generate a background to let the system auto-generate a background for you. The question image generation feature allows the system to automatically generate illustration images based on your quiz. After finishing all the settings, click Continue. It will take some time for the system to create your quiz video. It's done now. Go ahead and preview your quiz video.
Which continent is the largest by land area? B. Asia.
That's really amazing. You can see that Vsub has created the quiz video, added background, and also generated the voiceover for us. Now, navigate to the Content tab. Here, you can see that Vsub has automatically generated corresponding backgrounds for each quiz. If you're not satisfied, you can upload your own background. Next, if you want to change the video background, go to the Video tab. From here, you will find a free video library. Here, you can even upload your own video content. Okay, now if you want background music for your video, go to the Music tab. Here, you can freely choose background music for your video, or you can upload your own music. Okay, after setting everything, switch to the Advanced tab. Here, you can add your brand logo. You can also customize the interface for the quizzes to your liking. Okay, after finishing the setup, click the Download button. After the rendering is complete, click the Download button to save the video on your device. Okay, our video has now been saved on our device. Let's watch the video.
Which continent is the largest by land area? B. Asia. Which country is the smallest in the world by land area? B. Vatican City. What is the capital city of Australia? A. Canberra.
So you have completed a quiz video without having to spend a lot of time and effort, haven't you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Now, let's talk about the pricing for this tool. You just need to go back to the home page, then select the pricing tab to check out and choose the suitable plans and pricing. Of course, Vsub still has a free version including 200 credits for you to experience. Okay everyone, I will end the video here. Before that, I really want to hear about your experience creating quiz videos with Vsub AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy